Morning, YouTubers. Sawmill Bro 70 here, and it's Monday, and I haven't been down here since last Wednesday. Had some traveling to do and had to take care of things, but anyway, down here at the sawmill shed, and I'm going to try to get set up to start putting panels on the roof, my roof panels. Now they're 16 foot long, and I don't know if I can do this myself or not. I'm going to try to get my ladder hoist over here, and I want to set up on this side. I'm at the lower end. Maybe I'll back up, give you a better view here. I'm at the lower end of the sawmill shed, and I'm going to set it up, and hopefully it'll lean against that header there, and then I can hoist them up and then part way and then just drag them up the rest of the way. And right there you can see I have a catwalk I made, and what I got to do, I've got to move, I don't know if you can see it, but right there I have a block that goes against the purling on the roof and keeps it from slipping down. But I have to move it up a little bit because I want this end to be on a purling, and I want that end to be on a purling. That way there's no, if I step out over it, won't tip on me. And they're only 8 foot 2x6s, two of them put together there. So anyway, and over here, this is it's wet. Boy, it's been raining yesterday. It rained, it poured. But that's what I want to get over there. And I don't know if I can slip that through, or if I have to carry it around the outside of the shed. But we're going to find out here real quick. So I will, when I start doing something, I'll bring you back so you can watch all the fun. So I'll be back to you later. And by the way, fall has arrived. It's in the 50s. It's going to be sunny, I think. Supposed to be anyway. That's what they say. But you can't believe everything they say. The weather people I'm talking about. But it's a beautiful morning, and it's cool. But yeah, fall has arrived. It won't be long until the leaves will start turning. But I want to get this up on the roof so I can order in some millings to cover up all this mud. And this is what I did on the last video. I dumped my dirt here, and wow, that's not dirt anymore. That is like mushy mud. Boy, hope it dries out. But anyway, this is what I did. So it's I cut this corner back, and we got quite a nice turnaround now. So we're going to I think that was my neighbor that just went by, I'm not sure. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Everything here looks to be about as good as it's going to get right now. I filled this in so it's not such a steep slope. Oh boy, but mud. Well, it's not too bad here. Up there, I think it's right at the bottom. Water was laying, but I got to get that ladder back in here. try to get some panels hoisted up. It won't be today. It'll probably be tomorrow. Hopefully it'll dry out a little. But I just want to get set up today, so we'll get back. Okay. I didn't video me getting that in place. It wasn't good video material by any means. But, I have it sitting there. I have to, and it's not level. So I've got a 2x6 here. I want to put under it, set the bottom of it on to give it some solid footing. Because everything's just going to sink. It's in the mud. So we'll see what happens here. Alright, let me show you what we got here. We got that sitting on a 2x6, and it's going up and resting on top of the 2x12, and all I have to do is set a panel on there, and I can hoist it up high enough to where I can pull it the rest of the way. If I can get it over halfway, I'll be alright. So that's what we're not sure what we can do here. So I got to get some electrical hook up and run that up, and then run it down as far as I can so I can get a panel on. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to get that far today. I got to go up and start laying out some panels and marking them for screws. But anyway, that's where we're at. Great news. Everything works, and I think this is going to work, so it's going to make life a lot easier. So that's going to be it for this video. I might have some videos of me laying out panels, roof panels, and I don't know if I'm going to punch them. I think I'm just going to lay them out to make sure that they all line up. I don't want to have extra holes in the roof. I got the first panel laid out, and I know that's right, but it might vary a little as I go down. I don't know. Depends on how square the building was at the top. I know it's square at the bottom, but you know, we can only do what you can do. So anyway, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll bring you along when the fun starts, putting the panels up on the roof.